Ielts essay question. Some people believe that cities should take more measures to protect bird species. Discuss the importance of bird conservation in urban areas and provide examples of actions that cities can take to protect birds. Birds play a vital role in our ecosystem, contributing to the balance of nature and enriching our lives with their beauty and melodies. While bird conservation is often associated with natural habitats, it is equally important to protect bird species in urban areas. This essay will highlight the significance of bird conservation in cities and propose several measures that urban areas can adopt to safeguard these precious creatures. Firstly, the conservation of birds in urban areas is essential for maintaining biodiversity. Cities often serve as important stopover points or even nesting sites for migratory birds. These birds rely on urban green spaces, such as parks, gardens, and tree-lined streets, for food, shelter, and rest during their long journeys. By protecting and enhancing these urban habitats, cities can provide valuable support to migratory bird species, ensuring their survival and contributing to the preservation of global biodiversity. Secondly, the presence of birds in urban areas brings numerous benefits to human well-being. Birds are not only aesthetically pleasing but also serve as indicators of a healthy environment. Their songs and calls create a sense of tranquility and connect us with nature, reducing stress and improving mental health. Additionally, birds act as natural pest controllers by feeding on insects, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Thus, conserving bird species in cities has direct positive implications for human health and the overall quality of urban life. To protect bird species in urban areas, cities can implement several measures. One crucial step is the preservation and creation of green spaces. Cities can designate protected areas or reserves within their boundaries, where bird habitats are conserved and enhanced. Furthermore, urban planning should prioritize the incorporation of green infrastructure, such as bird-friendly parks, gardens, and rooftop gardens, which provide food and shelter for birds while also improving air quality and reducing urban heat island effects. Another effective measure is raising awareness among citizens about the importance of bird conservation. Cities can organize educational campaigns, workshops, and guided birdwatching tours to engage the community. Schools can introduce bird conservation programs, teaching students about different bird species, their habitats, and the actions they can take to protect them. By fostering a sense of responsibility and appreciation for birds, cities can create a culture of conservation that benefits both the birds and the urban population. In conclusion, bird conservation in urban areas is of utmost importance for maintaining biodiversity and enhancing human well-being. Cities can play a significant role in protecting bird species by preserving and creating green spaces, raising awareness among citizens, and integrating bird-friendly measures into urban planning. By taking these actions, cities can contribute to the sustainability of ecosystems and create more harmonious and livable environments for both humans and birds.